Ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, this comes up a lot, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a little video about it. It's about mold cases. I get texts, I get emails all the time. People saying, I got mold in the apartment. I got mold here, mold there, mold there. Let me tell you the problem with mold cases, and I'm going to tell you a story about it to make my point. Okay, first off, I'm sympathetic. However, people see black mold, blue mold, any kind of mold, they get all worked up. There was a lawyer that was a professional friend of mine. His name was Robert Trainer. He's no longer with us. May he rest in peace. Robert Trainer got on the cutting edge of this like 20 years ago of mold. And he decided, he was a tri-state attorney, he decided he was going to get rich becoming the mold expert. Spent a lot of money, took on a lot of cases, and he crashed and burned with it. And you know why? Because the courts have ruled, and it's hard for the science to refute this, is that you can never prove that the mold is causing some type of a problem with your health. Can't prove it. Let me give you another great example. And I ought to do a separate video about this. They're infection cases. You can get an infection from any possible place. And then, unless you can prove really clearly that they misdiagnosed and didn't treat your infection and it would have been okay, it's almost impossible to prove where you got an infection. Impossible. You would have to have like evidence. I always say this, like the doctor or the nurse like stuck their hands in crap and then took that crap and put it in your body. They could still say you got it from someplace else. But mold cases aren't good. The science does not support mold cases. So you can complain to your landlord, you can complain to your contractor, get it cleaned up, so forth and so on. And I'm not saying it doesn't cause problems, but you'll never prove it in court. So just so you know, mold cases suck. Anybody tells you any different, they're wrong. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Trying to educate you in the law, one video at a time.